Hello, my name is Gonzalez, and I'm going to talk about our research topic, which was electronic versus normal cigarettes. Well, to start off with the introduction, our hypothesis was, no, our research question, sorry, was what impact does smoking tobacco cigarettes have on your body and resistance or performance compared to smoking electronic cigarettes in young people from 17 to 20 years? Well, we decided to research this because we we saw that a lot of people in our community were starting to smoke electronic cigarettes instead of tobacco because it is seen as a better option or a more healthy. So we decided to test this. Well, our hypothesis was if people smoke electronic cigarettes, then their performance and health won't be as affected as normal cigarette smokers. We justified this by researching, and we came up that smoking e-cigarettes is as harmful as smoking normal tobacco, but the difference between one another is not the damage that it does to your body, but the amount of chemicals one differ from the other. So we still decided to test this because there were a lot of different studies. So we did our experiment. Well, first our experiment depended on a timed 5 kilometer run between the three groups, which were the electric cigarette smokers, the normal, and a control group of non-cigarette smokers. Our independent variable was the type of cigarette, and our dependent was the time they'll get to the finish line and complete the 5 kilometer run. Our materials were just cigarettes, the electronic cigarettes, and a chronometer, and well, the computer to take notes. Our results were our null hypothesis was there is no difference in the time it took the three groups to finish the 5 kilometer run, or there is no difference with the running time between the three groups. Our alternative hypothesis there is at least two groups that have different times or results. Our p-value was, well, as you can see there, and we decided by checking our Excel presentation that we rejected the null hypothesis because there was in fact a difference between the times that people had. Our conclusions were we found that cigarettes in fact cause more damage in lung health because we researched a lot of other experiments similar to ours, and a lot of the results were similar to this or very exactly alike. But what also greatly limited our experiment was that we didn't have the technology to know exactly what were the effects inside your body. We just base ourselves on physical results and timing and condition, but that does not mean that your lungs are healthier or that you do not have the same the same body damage. So we concluded that we need to do we cannot fully decide that it is more harmful or less harmful, but with our experiment we concluded that in fact it does affect your condition in running or exercising more the normal cigarette. Well, thank you for your attention, and this is our bibliography. Goodbye.